Hey, what's up guys, Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're actually going to be going to Xclusive Collision. We're going to be checking on my side skirts. We're also going to be going to Project Torque because I do have this double din that I want to install on my truck. I actually want to put it on my single cab. So we're going to be installing that double din. Shout out to my buddy Freddie, he actually gave me that a long time ago, but I never got to install it. I was going to put it on my extended cab, but I'm going to do a flip out on that one instead, because I don't feel like changing everything. So I'm going to keep it original on that one, just get a flip out. But on this one we're going to go ahead and install that double din. So we're going to be stopping at Project Torque, obviously with El Master Mechanic, because that is his thing. Systems, he gets down guys. So if you're looking for a system, he has an awesome sound truck. I mean, that thing is crazy loud. So definitely we're going to get the best of the best to install it and see what else we get into. So let's go ahead and go guys. Alright guys, we're here at Xclusive. Let's go see if we can find Agustin so we can check on the side skirt. ¿Qué onda, May?
¿Qué onda, May? Mira.
Mira, ahora sí no se van a quebrar, ¿verdad, May?
La verga. Así van a quedar chingones.
Mira, May, lo que le traje.
Espérame. Es que traigo fibra, güey.
No, no está bueno.
Ponla no ahorita porque si no se va a llenar de fibra y no me lo va a poner.
No, se la voy a enseñar.
Ponla
Se la voy a enseñar.
la verga.
La nueva que apenas saqué.
Mira nomás.
¿Eh?
Qué chulada, papá. Pura chulada. No, ponla allá adentro. Es que se va a llenar de fibra, güey. Esta madera.
No, hombre, ya no
Ahora
se
la
va
voy a
quedar
reforzar
así.
por los dos lados. Mira. Por eso le corté.
Ahora se va a crear la banqueta, ¿verdad?
Ahora la pinche banqueta va a rebotar a la chingada.
Alright guys, you can see he went ahead and put fiberglass on the bottom. Right now he's smoothing out the top. So, like I said, it's really straight now. It's actually stronger than before. I broke it on a curve when I was turning. I was tired, honestly. Hopefully it won't break. I won't break it again, so we don't have to do this again. So
You break everything because it's fucking strong, that one.
yeah. So we're gonna break the curve this time.
Esta era carbon fiber, ¿sabías, verdad?
¿Esta?
Sí, esta era de fibra de carbón, mira.
¿O si era?
Mira. Mira.
Oh, yo nomás creía que era.
Era de fibra de carbón esta.
Oh, mira.
Ya salió la fibra, mira. Pero alguien, un chingón la pintó el güey. Que mejor la hubiera dejado de fibra.
Yo no sabía,
Fiber, es carbon fiber. Yo cuando la vi dije, ay, era fibra esta madre.
No sabía yo tampoco. Damn, look at that, guys. It actually carbon fiber. I always just thought it was
Ahí está afuera, mira.
gloss black.
Yeah.
There you go, guys.
Mira. Ya salió la fibra.
Dang.
El carbón.
But like I said, guys, now it's very strong because he went ahead and reinforced it, so we shouldn't be breaking it. But like I said, guys, this is the work that he does. I mean, he's been doing this for years. Look at that. Laying down the fiberglass on top.
Estamos reforzando las partes que estaban más débiles. Y ahorita le vamos a echar el glaze encima y la resina, que esta hace que lo haga más, que lo pegue. Pues así lo vamos a dejar secar para que quede perro.
There you go, guys. This is just a little bit of what he does. This whole shop is full with a bunch of custom work that he's doing. Like I said, he started from a small shop and he worked his way up to a huge shop that is actually in front of us. That's how you know when it's good quality work, whenever you can start somewhere small and grow up to something where he's at now. Everything is state of the art in that shop, and it just goes to show you that's where the work is at. ¿Verdad, Mike?
Así es. Todo tiene un empiezo.
Alright guys, well there you have it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna let that cure. He's gonna sand it down, repaint them. He's gonna fix my front lip because I also messed up my front lip. He said to go ahead and bring him the front lip so he can have it all done. So we're gonna go ahead and take off my front lip, bring it to him, and then he's gonna get those painted for me, get those fixed. That way my car can be A1. So shout out to Xclusive Collision, and like I said, guys, definitely hit them up if you need a paint job. They do awesome work. Alright guys, we're here at Project Torque with my boy Vargas. He's gonna do the installation on the double din. So he has the little converter kit that you gotta install on these. So obviously you gotta get with the best. Vargas has a badass sound system that the DJ could be playing with all his speakers. As soon as Vargas turns on his truck, you can't hear the DJ anymore, ¿verdad, Vale?
Yes, sir.
So I knew I had to come with Vargas when it comes to system. So we're just gonna put a double din on this one just to have like a little modern stereo. But on my extended cab, we are gonna do the whole system on that one. He's gonna put the whole speakers and amps and everything like that. That one is gonna be like, I wouldn't say my sound truck because his is a sound truck and it's nowhere near that, but it's gonna sound better than this one. We're gonna do that one, but right now let's go ahead and get this double din on.
Alright guys, so we put in a double din stereo on Woody's truck. So right now he just bring it to me, so I'm gonna put the double din kit. He got it ready already, so I'm gonna swap it. So let's get it.
Ya está?
Yes sir.
Mira. Damn guys, like I said, Vargas is good at this. He knows what he's doing. I would have probably broke a couple clips and stuff like that, but Vargas knows what he's doing, so I'm gonna stay out of his way. That way he can get that done for me. And like I said, if y'all need anything done, systems, drop, turbo kit, anything like that, definitely step out Project Torque. So go ahead and let's continue with the installation.
Yeah, this one has like sound system before. You see the RC8s right here.
It's like spliced in, you know?
Yeah, so they can have the speakers. Cause like some people like put like new wires through the doors, so they just grab the speakers from here and they run just one wire to the back, so they can hook it up to the amps.
And that's a cheap way of doing it.
Yeah,
right?
that's a cheap way. I mean, like the best way to do it is cause like this original cable, they don't hold like that many power. That's why I mean, when you put in like nice speakers on the doors, you have to run
increase the line. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
with a thicker one and a copper one.
And that's what you do, huh? You take off everything and redo the wiring.
Everything.
You know?
So when they bring like a brand new truck, I leave everything like brand new there and not touch nothing of that. So I just put everything brand new. So in case, I told the people, like in case you wanna sell these trucks, like the Denali one, the 2021, I told the guy, in case you wanna sell it, I mean, like just take everything out and plug and play the other parts, and you have the original radio working.
So it had a lot of loose stuff right there, huh?
Yeah. With electrical tape?
You don't do that, huh?
Nah.
You do it the right way.
I do the right way, yeah. You can like, you see it?
And that's why sometimes you have like little shortages, huh?
Yeah, that's why like you mess it up your radio, you know, you mess it up the fuses over there because the power touches the ground. So now you have to be careful with that too. Because you don't want to hurt nothing with that.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Ponerle un double din. Le vamos a hacer una donación a la flecha.
Muchas gracias, muchas gracias. Para la flecha todo lo que caiga del cielo es bienvenido.
Pero ya se están mirando mejor. Mira los rines que le puso.
Está limpiecita, ¿verdad? Está mejor.
Nomás le falta su drop.
Con eso andamos. ¿Qué será? ¿Cuál será el bueno?
Yo, esa troca, un 4.6.
4.6.
4.6. O si quieres baja como la de Freddy, como la negra, un que es 5.8.
Así como esta tuya se mira bonita. ¿Qué es este?
Este es 4.6, pero es like the new body style. Esa es new body style.
So, esta va a estar igual, un poquito más levantada, un poquito más chaparrita.
Si le ponen 4.6 a esa, se va a mirar más chaparra que la mía.
¿Ah, sí?
Ajá.
Tiene que cambiar shocks y todo ese pedo.
Le tiene que ser Cena a la de este.
Cena está bien, pero los shocks es lo que...
Los shocks, si consigar el IHC kit, viene con shocks ya todo el pedo.
Porque no voy a andar, no quiero llegar a Baytown.
Sí, no,
así,
no.
estar bañándome así.
Yo le recomiendo el IHC kit. Ya viene con control arms y todo el pedo.
¿Aquí lo tenemos o no? Lo quiere ser sponsor el jefe. Ya que venga de California.
Anda recio el Vale, ya lo quitó y todo. Dice que bajón para la flecha.
Para la flecha.
Ya va a tener todo aquí. El full build va a salir de aquí, ¿verdad?
Casi. Este se rompió, dijo el kit, que de aquí se chingó.
Oh, sí.
O sea, lo va a arreglar. Dijo que lo iba, a lo mejor hoy lo arreglaba, no vino, cabrón. ¿Qué size son estas, Guri?
Son 12.
¿12 se da?
Yeah.
El peor es de que le calamos unas y pegan acá.
Necesita de shallows.
¿Cuánto valen esas bocinas, Vargas? De shallow, esas, las cortitas, pancakes.
¿Como la que traes otro acá?
350 cada una.
Es loco, caro. Allá le pusiste 4, aquí nomás ya cupo 2.
Ey, ahí tenemos unas.
¿Sí?
Las que le
¿Sí le
son
quedan?
12, sí.
Tráigaselas para medírselas ahorita.
Ahí está, ya, a lo mejor ya agarran bocinas, tío. Míralo.
¿Viste?
¿Nos van a jalar ahí? Ahí está. Oh, están muy chiquitas.
Sale volando el tornillo.
Pero lo que puede hacer allí, aquí le puede hacer una placa alrededor que se siente ahí.
¿Cuánto me va a cobrar aquí? A mí se me da que me va a sale mejor comprar las pinches bocinas. Y si le ponemos el pinche tornillo chueco, no, ¿verdad?
No, que puede.
Ya, no, ojalá no. Así.
Ya quiere empezar con su pinche Mickey Mouse.
¿Qué? ¿Aquí iba a tener chingo de Porsche?
No, aquí no se hace Mickey Mouse shit. Hey, en esto sí lo puedo regañar yo.
Oh, sí, la pinche, esa madre no le sé yo. Eléctrico, era electrónico, ahora muy electrónico. Cálmese, Master Mechanic.
Sí, vamos a hablar todo.
Soldar.
Para que quede todo bien, no que no se vaya ahí que toque a zafar o algo así. Tiene que estar todo bien hecho, bien hecho.
So you got the new harness on, Wale?
Yeah, there you go. You see how was it before? So right now we just got everything welded up and coming
Let's go now.
Yes, sir.
So everything's good to go?
Yes, sir. Let's put everything back together.
That was pretty easy. It would have took me like 2 hours.
Buddy.
And it even looks way better,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Way better.
And it's good because on these trucks you don't have to do all that cutting like on my other truck with that.
Nah, wait, because this one is the same team line from 07 to 13. And the other ones, remember, is a different 99 to 03, I think. I know 02.
Oh, too, yeah.
Yeah, they different.
Damn, that's a lot easier. Ya está, Vale.
Yes, sir. It's ready.
Alright guys, well Vargas finished it. He did it in 20 minutes and he knocked it out. Like I said, it would have took me like 2 hours, but that's why I come with Vargas. He knows this all the time. Like I said, if y'all need any work done, y'all can hit him up here at Project Torque. Y'all get with him for any stereo, lowering the truck and everything. Everything you done at the shop.
Yeah. Just hit me up.
Master Mechanic on Instagram. Make sure y'all give him a follow. He has a badass truck. He's still building it. He just got it done for LST, but he's still not done with it. So I know that truck is gonna be crazy because it already is. So I can't wait till that truck's done. Thank you to Vargas. Always coming through. Like I said, he helped me out when my tire messed up. He was out there with me. Like if y'all like more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.